Well, an Indianapolis woman is warning people tonight after someone scammed her out of hundreds of dollars. A man pretended to be the landlord for rental property advertised online.
Tonight, our crime beat reporter Steve Jefferson has the warning tonight and more on the fake landlord who took the money and ran.
The victim in this case handed over almost every penny she had, hoping she had hit the jackpot for a place here on Shelby Street to call home sweet home.
Just try to keep the faith and try not to cry so much.
Tammy Cleary has held out hope as long as possible that a man she paid rent to didn't scam her out of cash. She searched Craigslist for an apartment and found this double in the 2700 block of Shelby Street for rent.
And I got the phone number. His name is Sean Adams. And I called and I left the message several times. He called me back.
During the phone call about the Shelby Street property, the so-called landlord told Tammy she could move in right away. They met in person at this East Washington Street library where he gave her instructions on closing the deal.
He said to go get the cash. I went to go get the cash, and I brought $450 back. And he said that he would go get the keys and meet me at between 4 and 4:30 yesterday evening.
Tammy showed Eyewitness News the lease she signed, which he wrote his name and number on too. She waited at the Shelby Street property for hours for him to bring the keys.
He did not show up.
Eventually, Tammy met the family who already lives here. They explained their landlord is a woman, and they had no clue about the man she paid money.
The guy named Sean Adams told me to come over here because he told me to meet him here. He was giving me keys to this address. She said, well, I'm sorry, ma'am, that we just moved in here.
Now Tammy is warning others about trusting classified ads.
Do not trust anybody no more. Don't go to the bank when they ask you bring them cash back.
If you have any information on the fake landlord, you can call Crime Stoppers at 317-262-TIPS. On the Crime Beat, I'm Steve Jefferson.